The Rode top 10.25-inch touchscreen car stereo is designed specifically for BMW 3 and 4 Series from 2012 to 2015, offering a seamless integration with the vehicle's existing system. This car stereo features a high-resolution display with a 1920 by 720 resolution, providing clear and vibrant visuals for an enhanced viewing experience. One of the standout features is its wireless connectivity, allowing drivers to effortlessly use CarPlay, Android Auto, and MirrorLink without the hassle of cables. It retains all the original functions of your car, maintaining the factory radio, amplifier, and joystick controls, while also supporting both original and aftermarket reverse cameras. The stereo is equipped with Bluetooth and an adjustable equalizer, ensuring top-notch audio quality and a personalized sound experience. Designed for easy installation, the system requires dashboard removal for wiring, but offers support to troubleshoot any connection or setting issues.